Hey guys, let me ask you something. When it comes to performance, physical, mental, and yes, even in the bedroom, what do you think is the real key to lasting energy, confidence, and drive? Is it testosterone? Is it your workouts? Your diet? Sure, those play a part. But there's one thing that most men completely overlook. And it's something your body already produces naturally. Let's talk about nitric oxide, the molecule that could quietly be holding the key to a better version of you. Nitric oxide, or NO, is a gas your body creates that helps your blood vessels relax and expand. This process is called vasodilation. And it's critical, not just for heart health, but for sexual performance, muscle recovery, and mental clarity. When nitric oxide levels are low, blood flow slows down. That means your muscles don't get oxygen as fast, your energy dips, and yes, your erections become weaker or inconsistent. You might feel off. Like your edge is slipping. And often, it has nothing to do with age. It's all about circulation. Good news! There are totally natural ways to increase nitric oxide levels. Let's talk about a few powerful methods. 1. Eat more nitrate-rich foods. Think, beetroot, spinach, arugula. These contain dietary nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in your body. One of the best daily habits. A beet smoothie in the morning. 2. Amino acids like L-arginine and L-citrulline. These amino acids help trigger the body's natural nitric oxide production. They're found in certain foods, but the most effective way is usually supplementation, especially when combined. 3. Exercise, especially resistance training. Working out not only boosts testosterone, it stimulates nitric oxide production. Short, intense resistance workouts are the best for this. 4. Antioxidants. Oxidative stress reduces nitric oxide levels. So foods like blueberries, dark chocolate, and ginkgo biloba help your body maintain healthy NO. When you consistently support your nitric oxide levels, you don't just boost sexual performance. You'll notice faster recovery after workouts, sharper mental focus, increased stamina and endurance, more confidence, because you feel on. Too many guys focus only on testosterone. They forget that testosterone without proper blood flow is like having a sports car with no gas in the tank. Nitric oxide is what fuels the system. You want your hormones and circulation working together. Here's a simple routine to support your nitric oxide and performance starting today. 1. Morning, drink a beetroot plus spinach smoothie. 2. Midday, do a 15-minute resistance training session, or even a brisk walk. 3. Evening, take a scoop of a natural NO boosting supplement with L-citrulline, arginine, and antioxidants. 4. Before bed, deep breathing exercises or meditation to lower stress, which protects NO levels. Try this for 7 days and watch how your energy and drive start to change.